Beasts are out. Let's see if they can do anything. Nugget, please don't go anywhere. You would totally get lost. Please just stay
Put
here.
Like an orange cloth around her tail so she does get lost.
Well, I can. She's not coming out. She ain't coming out in this. Michael, what did you say about bringing in the lawn guys?
I said I want to bring them in and get them above the lawn.
Yeah, okay, today's...
Well, today no one else is going to be using them. Come on.
Today's not the day for lawn care. Oh, look at Tyner go!
Tyner.
Dude, he was like playing in it yesterday. Oh my god, look at him. He can't even stand. Tyner! He loves it. Where'd Nuggie? Nuggie! Oh my god, how'd you get over here? You're so brave. Cosmo, you're a little stuck, huh? Nugget, I can't believe you're daring to get out in this. Wow, that's impressive. She's a trooper. Tyner, what are you gonna do, buddy? Oh, wow. There goes our pepper. That's the pepper bar. Honey, take it easy. Okay. Wow. Thank you.
That's what you guys get.
Yay! Nuggie. Oh, there goes Cosmo. He's following you. Hi, guys.